You want to know what makes the GoHighLevel funnel builder so powerful and how it compares to tools like ClickFunnels or System.io. In this video, I will walk you through all the key features of GoHighLevel's funnel builder, and I will explain in the simplest way possible so you can start building high converting funnels even if you are a complete beginner. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify tools like GoHighLevel so you can grow your business smarter, not harder. If you are new here, icon so you never miss our easy tech tutorial, and don't forget to use the link from the description to get the 30 days free trial link on GoHighLevel and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So grab the offer from the link and let's get back to the video. So first of all, the feature number one is the drag and drop funnel builder. So you can edit or build your page without any coding. You can easily add text, images, buttons, forms, and even videos. Just drag and drop and you can customize it your way. It's super beginner friendly but is still powerful for advanced users. The feature number two is the pre-built template here. If you don't want to start from scratch, GoHighLevel has ready-made templates for lead generation, sales page, webinars, and many more. You can import them in one click and you can edit the content to fit your business. Feature number three is the integrated CRM and the automation. Unlike standalone funnel builders, GoHighLevel connects your funnel directly to your CRM and automation tools. That means every lead who sign up can automatically enter in your CRM and trigger the email sequence or even get text messages all in one place. The next feature is the A/B testing and the analytics. You can test two versions of your funnel page like this, okay? So you can use two versions and you can see the analytics here. And from the analytics, you can track page views, conversion rates, and opt-ins in real time. And feature number five is the membership and the payment integration. You can connect Stripe or PayPal for payments and even host the membership sites directly inside GoHighLevel. That means you can sell digital products, courses, or exclusive content, so no third-party platform needed. Lastly, you can add the custom domain for branding, so your funnel looks professional and fully branded for your business. So that's it basically. This is the quick breakdown of GoHighLevel's funnel builder features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.